The ATLANT is a hybrid airship. It derives its lift from gas, aerodynamics, and engine thrust. So let's look at it in a simulation to see how that works. Here we have the ATLANT flying along. What we're going to do is superimpose the forces involved in that flight so that you can understand how it flies. Here we have some instrumentation which shows the forces acting on the aircraft at 120 kilometers an hour of forward flight. As you see, the aircraft has a slight pitch angle and the main thrust is operating at 45%. Have a look at the key here to see what's represented by the various different graphics on this screen. As the speed decreases, the altitude reduces as the amount of lift generated from the aircraft reduces. Now you can see the engines have been vectored, the speed has reduced to 0. From this graphic you can see that the auxiliary lift mechanism is providing additional lift so that the aircraft's altitude is controlled by the engines. This allows the aircraft's position to be precisely controlled and for it to convert from forward flight into vertical flight and then to land. Using the adaptive mooring system. On a hard, clean, flat surface, this has a hovercraft type mechanism which, through inflated cushions, pumps air down through the middle to create a low friction motion capability for the airship across the ground. If it then reverses that blow, it creates significant friction, thereby securing the aircraft in position on the ground. However, if we change the surface to one that consists of soft soil or sand, we use a completely different mechanism to secure the aircraft, in the form of a ground anchor that protrudes into the ground from the hover cushions to secure it in one position. Finally, on water, it uses a completely different mechanism by lowering a number of hollow tubes into the water, and by filling those tubes with water, the weight of the water in the tubes acts as an anchor to secure the ATLANT in place. So as you see, the ATLANT can operate from any surface safely and securely with minimal ground handling infrastructure. In fact, mostly with none at all.